The cost of Avalanche Avax is currently valued at approximately 13.2100 per coin, which represents a significant amount. The trading range for Avax today is between 13.0100 and 13.2900, which also indicates a substantial value. The closing price of Avax on the previous day was 13.1500, further emphasizing its considerable worth. The change in value is a positive 0.0600 or 0.46%, which is a significant and noteworthy increase. This exchange rate pertains to the conversion of United States dollars to Avax, highlighting the substantial value of Avax in relation to the U.S. currency. The anticipated value of Avalanche slides in the near future and upcoming month. The anticipated cost of an Avalanche on Monday, August 7th, was $13.03, which represents an exceptionally high value. The value of 13.94 is unusually high, above the minimum threshold of 12.12, indicating a considerable impact in a broad and comprehensive manner. The recorded data indicates that the Avalanche slide gauge on Tuesday, August 1st, registered a cost of 12.96. with the highest value being 13.87 and the lowest value being 12.05. These figures, on the whole, challenge the prevailing belief. The anticipated cost of an Avalanche slide on Wednesday, August 2nd, was found to be $13.19, which was the highest among the observed values. In nearly all significant aspects, the value of 14.11 is more than or equal to the value of 12.27, which is presented in a modest manner. On Thursday, August 3rd, a little avalanche occurred with an estimated cost of 12.76, which can be seen as the most significant event in terms of financial impact. The projected cost of the Avalanche slide on Friday, August 4th, ranged from a minimum of 11.87 to a maximum of 13.65, with the most severe estimate being 12.79. The figure of 13.69 exhibits a remarkable degree of aesthetic appeal, while the value of 11.89 is presented in a manner that is very noteworthy and holds substantial significance. The recorded measurements of the Avalanche slide gauge for Monday, August 7th, ranged from a maximum of 13.26 to a minimum of 11.52, with an average value of 12.39. The projected cost of the Avalanche slide on Tuesday, August 8th, was $12.47, with a maximum estimate of $13.34 and a minimum estimate of $11.60. This range of values is of significant importance. The occurrence of an avalanche on Wednesday, August 9th, resulted in a significant cost of $12.35, including various aspects of utmost significance. The value of 13.21 is considered to be aesthetically pleasing, particularly when compared to the minimum value of 11.49. Notwithstanding the prevailing beliefs or opinions, the projected cost of an Avalanche slide on Thursday, August 10th, was estimated to be $12.52, with a maximum estimate of $13.40 and a minimum estimate of $11.64. These figures were based on the prevailing assumptions at that time, with a forecast period of around 14 days. The avalanche incident that occurred on Friday, August 11th, resulted in a significant loss of 12.01, making it the most severe in nature. The value of 12.85 is generally more than or equal to 11.17, which is indeed quite significant. The anticipated cost of an avalanche slide on Monday, August 14th, amounted to $12.10, representing the highest value. The item was rented at a cost of $12.95, and its aesthetic appeal was presented in a modest manner, with a price of $11.25. On Tuesday, August 15th, a minor avalanche occurred, resulting in an estimated cost of $11.65, which is likely the most recorded for such an event. The lease, which is aesthetically pleasing, has a duration of 12.47 units. On Wednesday, August 16th, the cost of an avalanche slide had a substantial increase, reaching a value of 11.80, which can be considered as an extraordinary occurrence. The amount of 12.63 can be significantly reduced to 10.97 when considering several factors. The recorded data indicates that the Avalanche slide figure on Thursday, August 17, ranged from a minimum of approximately 11.39 to a maximum of around 13.11, with the majority of values falling within the range of 12.25. These observations were made over a period of 3 weeks. On Friday, August 18, the anticipated cost of an Avalanche slide was around $13.28, representing a significant magnitude. The lease with a value of 14.21 holds significant importance, particularly when compared to the lease valued at 12.35. The occurrence of an avalanche on Monday, August 21, resulted in a significant loss of 13.03 units, representing one of the most severe instances of its sort. The amount of 13.94 is genuinely leased in a modest manner, with a sum of 12.12. The projected cost of the Avalanche slide on Tuesday, August 22, amounted to 12.91, representing an exceptionally high magnitude. The lease agreement, which amounts to 13.81 units, is characterized by its pleasing nature. In a notable manner, 12.01 holds significance. The avalanche incident that occurred on Wednesday, August 23, resulted in a significant loss of 12.73, making it the most severe in nature. The value of 13.62 is notably greater than or equal to 11.84, particularly when considering the prevailing consensus. The anticipated cost of an avalanche slide on Thursday, August 24, is expected to be $12.67, with a maximum estimate of $13.56 and a minimum estimate of $11.78. This represents a significant increase over the course of almost 1 month. The recorded measurements of the avalanche slide gauge on Friday, August 25, ranged from a minimum of 12.60 to a maximum of 14.50, with the majority of measurements falling within the range of 13.55 to 14.50. These measurements are of particular significance and indicate a severe situation. On Monday, August 28, the anticipated cost of an avalanche slide amounted to $13.94, representing an exceptionally high expense. The average rental price of $14.92 significantly decreased to $12.96 in a highly substantial manner. The projected occurrence of an avalanche slide on Tuesday, August 29, incurred a cost of $13.63,